We have added a new feature in 2025 R3 that is called Freight Invoice and Accrual Journal Posting Date. The reason for adding this feature is for the month-end close. Not all of the financial steps can be completed on the exact month-end day, so what we have done is when the user goes to post accruals for the freight invoices a few days into the new month, they need the option to set the posting date so it will post in the previous month in order for the financial statements to be accurate. So this feature, it will provide a way for the user to enter a posting date when invoicing the freight bill and when posting the freight accruals. So here, as you can see on the screen, I am under the menu section, Commodity Accounting, Freight Invoicing, and the specific locations that we've added a user to be able to enter the posting date are when you generate a vendor invoice. There's the posting date that you can select any date here. We've also added this to the invoice and pay section for your freight bill. And one last area, we've added it to the freight accrual. So here's your posting date. We also have added an area where user can enter a transaction description. If a user does not want to enter a transaction description, one will be defaulted for them, which this will display on your journals, the site, your item ID, and the text displaying freight accrual. So it'd be easier to actually find your journals. So next I will show you when invoicing a freight bill. We show these invoices journals underneath the accounts payable section, invoices, invoice journal. In this section, your posting date will be updated here under this date section. Also update it here underneath the general tab, here underneath the date. Now the accrual journals are under the general ledger, journal entries, general journals. This will display the posting date that was adjusted on line 1. You can see that the posting date is listed here. It will also mark this line as a reversing entry, displaying your reversing date as well. The second line on the journal displays that reversing date. A couple other areas we've added this is under the General tab. Here's your reversing date to be displayed. And lastly, on the invoice, we will show you here the posting date. So you will be able to see freight invoice and accrual journal posting date in the 2025 R3 release. Thank you.